Connecto Power Connection Kits are a new and improved connection system for Danfoss's self-regulating heating cables. They're easy to install and provide a reliable and solid connection every time, which is key for safe and effective electric heating operations. The kit comes in a variety of available options, depending on the type of connection you're working with. A simple power connection kit, available with or without an end seal. Splice or T-connection kits, available with or without power, and an X connection kit. All kits include variations of these components: a power connection assembly, a splice assembly, a threaded cap, a sleeve and clamping sleeve, a clamping sheet, and an end cap with silicone adhesive. Connecto kits install in minutes, simplifying installation, saving you time and money. We'll show you how it's done. First, you need to prepare the heating cable. Unroll the amount of cable you need and mark for a straight cut. Then slide on the clamping sleeve and threaded cap. Cut the cable and strip the outer jacket. Slide the clamping sheet over the grounding braid right up to the outer jacket as shown. Then draw the grounding braid back over the clamping sheet. Insert the cable into the clamping sleeve until it's flush. Next, you'll want to make sure that the clamping sleeve's blades correctly line up with the designated slots in the assembly. Once the tip of the assembly and the groove of the clamping sleeve are properly aligned, push the clamping sleeves together and connect the cable to the assembly. Next, completely screw the threaded cap and assembly together. Make sure to double check that there is no gap, as space between the cap and assembly can result in malfunction. After that's complete, you'll need to seal the ends. First, prepare the heating cable by cutting the cable to an appropriate length, which is specified in the catalog, and removing a section of the outer jacket. Next, remove the exposed braid. Cut a triangle shape between the bus wires and add silicone adhesive onto both the exposed heating jacket and the end cap. Also, be sure to follow the proper safety instructions, as the adhesive can irritate skin and eyes. Once the adhesive is added, push the end cap over the cable. You'll need to let it cure for about 20 minutes. Then, inspect the seal to ensure the cap is seated properly. It will reach its full strength after 24 hours. Lastly, you'll need to attach the unit to the pipes, roof, or gutter, depending on the application. And you're finished. Installation with Connecto connection kits is just that simple, and they install in under 3 minutes, a significant time savings from the 20 minutes it used to take. The connection kits are also already compliant with standard electric codes and listings. Connecto Power Connection Kits from Danfoss. Achieve the fastest, easiest, and most reliable connection you can get. Visit lx.danfoss.com for more information.